Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sisleya and this is Enamored Beauty. Today's video is very exciting. I'm here to talk to you about the Beautylish Fall Gift Card event. That event starts October 23rd and it will run through October 26th. During this event, for every $100 you spend, you will earn a $20 gift card to be used on a future Beautylish purchase. And I'm so grateful because they reached out to me and they asked, was there anything that I'd like to try? And you know I didn't hesitate. So sit back, stay tuned, and let's get into these products that you can find at Beautylish during the fall gift card event this year. This haul has luxury written all over it, from Sisley to Sonia G. So here we go. Sisley has been a brand that I've been recently getting into, and I was so excited to be able to request a few new items from the brand. So the first up is the Sisleya Le Teint Foundation in the shade 6C Amber. You all, I was able to try a sample of this foundation recently and I absolutely love it. So I was so thrilled that I was able to request it. So we'll be using it in an upcoming Get Ready With Me. The second item is the Phyto Rouge Velvet Lipsticks. Now, you all remember that earlier this year, I was able to try these for the first time, compliments of Beautylish. And so I requested another shade that I'd like to try. So this shade is 43 Rouge Ardent. As you can see, it comes in this beautiful velvet pouch. And just look at the packaging on that. Isn't it stunning? The shade name on the bottom. And of course, the logo across the top. And the beautiful logo on the tube itself. Look at that shade, will you? How stunning is that? I'll do an updated collection video for you all soon. And then with that part of the haul, I was able to get a gift with purchase, which is the So Intense Mascara for thickening and fortifying in deep black, along with a mini balm. So it comes like this. And I'm just so thrilled to be able to try these products. Thank you again to Beautylish for reaching out to work with me again on this event. I'm forever grateful. This is the Sisley Paris balm, and it comes like this. And it's just a clear lip balm, so I'm excited to try it. And then in this pouch here, we have a mascara in this pouch. So let's open it, see what it looks like. Here we are. Next in the haul are two new eyeshadow palettes that have hit the scene that are all the rage. So I'm very excited to be able to try these. The first up is from Natasha Denona. This is the Eye Sculpt Texture and Tone palette. And it's in the Dramatic Color Story. Isn't she stunning? I cannot wait to do swatches and get into this palette with you all. Next, I have the Danessa Myricks Beauty Lightwork Volume 7, the Freedom palette. You all know that I love Danessa Myricks as a brand, as an individual. She is amazing. Her line is totally inclusive, and we love her for that. It's nicely wrapped and packaged for protection. And it comes in a beautiful Z palette. So we'll take the plastic off. And this is really cool because it comes packaged in this Z palette here. This part here is an actual mirror. So you can take this off. Like so. And it says the Danessa Myricks Lightwork 7 Freedom Palette. Then you have the mirror there. And then you have the palette. Isn't she stunning? I cannot wait to use her with you all in an upcoming Get Ready With Me. Again, this is the Danessa Myricks Lightwork 7 palette. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you all, it comes with this cool pouch because you can stack the palettes as individuals. And I'll show you those in a later video. You know I could not do a Beautylish haul without requesting some Hourglass. So I have some Hourglass items that I requested here. One of them is their newest primer. This is the Hourglass Illusion Priming Moisturizer. I have a dry skin type, and so because this is a priming moisturizer, it's going to be perfect for my dry skin, so I cannot wait to try it. So it comes in their standard packaging, and it looks like this. So I'm really excited to give this moisturizing primer a try. Then I also fell in love with their mascara. So this is the Unlocked Instant Extensions Mascara by Hourglass. It comes in their standard packaging as well. And it's in the shade Ultra Black. And I love it because it really is ultra black, exactly how it states. And it lasts all day long, you guys. So I absolutely love it. Cannot wait. I love the mascara. It's a great mascara. So if you're looking for one, do give it a try. And again, thanks to Beautylish for the restock. Now, this next item is very exciting because I requested the Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked in Fox. Now, you guys, look at this artistry, first of all. These palettes, if you've never tried them, are the most beautiful powders that you can use, in my opinion, on the skin. Now, I realize that the bronzer has not gotten deeper, and we've all been requesting a deeper bronzer. However, the powders are unmatched, in my opinion. So this, again, is the Ambient Lighting Fox Edit. And this time around, I also requested the brush. So thank you to Beautylish for sending me both the palette and the brush. Let's unbox them and see what they look like. Again, I will be sharing more details on these products in upcoming videos for you all. So this is what the palette looks like. The artwork is the same on the palette as it is on the box. You open it and you reveal these beautiful shades here. There are 5 new shades in this palette. This palette was the one with the most new shades in it. And so I cannot wait to use this and share this with you all in an upcoming video. Now, let's take a look at the brush. I've never owned an Hourglass brush, so I'm thrilled to be able to try it. It is a synthetic brush. Again, this is the Ambient Lighting Edit brush number 2, Fox. And cute backstory, another reason I wanted to get this, my husband calls my daughter Foxy Lady, and she loves watching me do my makeup. She loves watching me do my makeup, and I thought it would be fun to share the story with you all and with her. This morning we were in her room and she asked me about the nameplate that hangs on her wall that has her name along with a fox, and I was able to tell her the story. I always love having stories attached to items, and so I love to hear a backstory as to the meaning of things and why they were. So I thought, you know, one day she'll be into makeup and I can share this brush with her. She's already into it, but I mean, one day she'll be using it. So I thought it'd be nice to have. And it's very soft to the touch. It feels very good gliding against my skin here. And you can see the movement that it gives. And it's double-sided. And so I think that that's going to be a really nice brush to have in my collection. So the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Fox brush. All right. I love brushes, as you guys know, and my favorite brush soap is from Beautyblender. They recently reformulated it, and so I requested a brush soap from Beautylish. This is the Beautyblender Blender Cleanser Tool Scrub. It's charcoal extra strength. It's an exfoliating solid soap, hand, sponge, and brush cleaner. So now you can use it for all three of those tasks. I can't wait to use this and review this new formula for you. And I will update you all on that. Now, there is not ever a Beautylish haul that does not contain Sonia G. And you guys know that Sonia G is one of my favorite brush brands, but she's also one of my favorite people. She is kind, and her brand is so much more than just brushes, right? She has a community of beauty lovers who rally behind her, and I'm happy to be one of those community members. And so I requested the Japanese Gardens brush holder, you all. And I cannot wait to unbox this and share this with you all. Now, Sonia tells such a beautiful story of how this brush holder came to be. And I just want to share that my family and I frequent the Japanese Gardens in San Francisco, California, where it is such a beautiful garden. And so once I put the holder together with my brushes, I plan to give you guys a little montage video of photos from that garden here. Okay. But this is the brush holder. So it comes boxed as you saw it earlier, and then you open it and it looks like this when you open it. It's wrapped in tissue paper, and then this is Sonia's logo here. So I always like to try to keep the paper intact. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to sit it here while I try to do that, try to keep the paper intact. I really love Sonia's brand. Her brushes are top tier. If you've never tried them, I highly recommend them. The holders are also top tier. I have holders that I've purchased myself and ones that were gifted and through the Beautylish gift card events. So I'm thrilled to have this one now in my collection. So you open it. And look at that beautiful wood grain. If you know me, you know that I love art and I love wood grain. Like, I love trees. I love tree stumps. It's just something about them that is just gorgeous. So again, this is the box. And you guys, I mean, this holder is so stunning, you guys. Okay. And then, I mean, you turn it around and just look at the details on this piece. I mean, you've got the stones. You've got the trees, right? You've got the maple leaves and the moon. I mean, what didn't they think of here? Like, this is a stunning piece of art. It's not only a holder you can use for your brushes, right? But look how many it's going to be able to hold for you. And it's going to give you joy when you look at it in the morning. I mean, at least for me, it's going to give me joy. I'm going to put it right here on my vanity so that I can see it every day. It brings me joy. The maple is my husband's favorite tree. And so when I look at this, I not only see beauty, right, but memories of the gardens as we've, again, like I said, frequented the Japanese gardens here in San Francisco. And so we've seen these stones, we've seen these trees and these maples in the garden. And it just warms my heart that I'll be able to sit on my vanity and reflect on those memories. If you enjoyed this haul, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, please let me know what's on your Beautylish wish list down in the comments below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me over on Instagram at Enamored Beauty for more live swatches, first impressions, and more beauty talk. See you there.